because it was not just enough to bring a law that local government chairmen should live in their domain. It was to how will we enable them to live in their local government areas. I believe the answer to that question is here today. We have promised by the grace that we will build lodges for our chairmen across the 31 local government areas. And this was to be a prototype so that any contractor will be able to see it, the chairmen themselves will see it, and will long to live there. And so today I'm happy that God has made it possible for us to finish this, not just finishing it, but finishing it on time. And that's the beautiful thing about it. And I'm happy the chairmen themselves, one of the chairmen said, all of us will live here with him until our own is ready. So I can guarantee you in the next 1 month, we will flag up the 30 other houses simultaneously. We have not asked you to bring money from your vote so you don't shortchange your people. As a state government, funding for this project is ready and intact. So when we flag up, we build. We don't want it to have any excuse. We don't want it to affect your allocation. This is one state. From the days of my predecessor, government has not tampered with the allocation to local government areas. And you yourself, that the outgoing chairman today, you were in the last administration, you can testify to that. We have not touched your money. You will put in your charge and then allocate your money the way you want. But it is important that you dwell amongst your people. If you are a chairman of a local government, autonomous local government chairman, why are you leaving your autonomous community to go and live in another place? You receive your allocation. If you are a good chairman, why are you running away from your people? You have to stay, and I thank you for staying. Thank you so much for the work you are doing. I see healthy competition among local government chairmen, and I love that competition. You are competing with projects in your various local government areas, and we thank you. We are sure that this will enhance your capacity and you will live well. So I thank you. By the grace of God, the next 12 months, we should also go around to commission your various lodges. And thank you for your pledge, for support. You see, in the next few days, we'll make some statements in this state. But you know what? One of my pastors said to me, Your Excellency, it is God that has made this thing to happen so that loyalty can be tested. Sometimes when people say, I'm loyal, Peter said to Jesus, anybody who touched you has touched me. In fact, we will fight. But that night, Jesus turned to him and said, Peter, you will be the first to deny me 3 times. Very soon, all those that said, we are from Borno, we are dying with you wherever you go, We are going to see those who will be the first to deny us. But I know that local government chairmen will not deny us. Will you deny us? The true test of loyalty is coming soon. When you say, I'm loyal, I'm loyal, I'm loyal, you can never get Uruana. We will test loyalty. We will test those who say they believe in their right agenda. So I want to thank you. I pray that as our brother governor, well, you are governor for Eket. This is a loyal man. This man, and I'm thankful to God that you are the first to occupy this house. Because you worked. You are a symbol of loyalty. When all odds were against you, even in your family, you stood. You stood. You stood. And Excellency, the Deputy Governor just reminded me. He said, every time I see this man, I am happy because he stood and defended you. And I'm so happy. I thank the Eket people for allowing you to come back as chairman. I thank them for allowing you. Because if they did not allow you, there's nothing I would have done. So we thank God for them. I won't forget that night where people stepped down and they were crying. That is loyalty. And loyalty can be rewarded and must be rewarded. So we are going on another journey of loyalty. We'll test those who believe in this journey that we are going. So we thank you. I pray that you will enjoy this house. This will not just be a house, it will be a home. A place where you will live comfortably. Nothing will threaten your existence. You will be able to have good dreams and dream more for our people in Eket. And when you finish, may it please God to transfer you to the capital and move you on. Loyal people don't suffer. There might be temporary setbacks, but you cannot suffer.